this video, I'll show you how to create split screen effects with multiple videos in CapCut PC. Let's take these two videos as an example. First, add the first video to the timeline. Then go to the stock materials and drag and drop the white background to the timeline as an overlay layer. Go to the video mask, choose circle, and adjust the size and position as needed. Next, click on the bottom video and move its position on the preview screen. Then, duplicate the white video clip overlay to the top layer. Drag and drop the second video onto the top white video clip to replace it. Adjust the duration. Since the subject is not in the frame, under the video mask, adjust the mask's position. Then, go back to Video Basics. Move the position of the second video on the preview screen. Next, click on the middle white video clip, click Freeze, and create a freeze clip. Adjust the duration. And there you have it. The split screen effect is complete. You can also go to Adjustments and adjust the colors as needed. That's it. I hope this video tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.